Dear organizers and participants of the 5th International Conference on Sustainable Futures, Environmental, Technological, Social and Economic Matters, I'm Alexandra Chernevska from Kyiv National University of Technology and Design. Today I'm privileged to share our joint work, Future 5.0, a multi-goal decision-making framework for sustainable university governments 5.0 in Industry 5.0. The authorship framework for decision-making in higher education within the context of Industry 5.0. This article explores how university make important decisions in the fast-changing world of Industry 5.0. Um, it introduces a Future 5.0 metrics, a detailed plan that helps universities make smart, sustainable choices. This matrix combines different important areas like technology-powered, human-centric, sustainable, innovation-driven, and global engagement, with an essential aspect like being future-oriented, user-centered, technology-integrated, having unique ecosystem leadership, being research responsible, and focusing on entrepreneurship. Um, the article describes a clear method for using the metrics, focusing on a complete approach that balances immediate actions with long-term goals. It talks about the challenges and special details of using such as complex tool in the ever-changing world of higher education, the flexibility of metrics, its involvement of different people, and its fit with Industry 5.0 are closely looked at. The article shares through on how the metrics can change the way universities plan and govern, while recognizing that ongoing changes and environment from different people are necessary in this constantly changing environment. This study presents a new way of combining many aspects into one decision-making framework, showing the matrix as a vital tool for universities that want to succeed in the time of Industry 5.0 and beyond. The development of the future 5.0 metrics is deeply motivated by the European Commission's strategic visions, which emphasize a transition towards a sustainable, resilient, and human-centric industry. Key documents have shared our understanding and approach. Transformative vision for Europe, human-centric and resilient industry, sustainable Europe by 230, Europe's digital decade, and initiative on Web 4.0 and visual words. These documents collectively provide a robust foundation for the future 5.0 metrics, strengthening our efforts to synchronize higher education governments with the objectives of Industry 5.0. Our frameworks aims not only to adapt to these strategies, but to actively lead in cultivating an educational ecosystem that is innovative, sustainable, and deeply integrated with technological and social progress. In an era marked by rapid technological advancements and significant societal shifts, governments, industries, and universities face unprecedented challenges. Industry 5.0 introduced a paradigm that emphasizes not just automatization and efficiency, but also incorporates essential values such as sustainability, resilience, and human centric approaches. This new individual model impacts how educational institutions must operate. Um, Necessitates a shift towards more integrated and strategic governments. Traditional decision-making framework in higher education often lag behind in addressing the dynamic demands of Industry 5.0. Our research identified a critical need for a framework that not only embrace technological innovation but also prioritize ethical consideration, environmental sustainability, and personal well-being. The Future 5.0 metrics has developed to meet these needs by providing a structured yet flexible approach to university governments. Our study began with a comprehensive literature review focused on Industry 5.0 and its implications for governments in higher education using academic databases like Scopus. Um, we gathered and analyzed 128 recent publications, which helped us understand the gaps and opportunities in current government's models. Following the literature review, we conducted a Delphi study innovating a panel of international experts from various educational, technological, and management backgrounds. Um, this iterative process allowed us to refine a future 5.0 metrics based on expert feedback, ensuring its applicability and effectiveness in real-world settings. Based on the clustering of research-related keywords associated with Industry 5.0 and Society 5.0, five strategic patterns for Future 5.0 have been established. Such strategic patterns: technology, technology-powered, human-centric, sustainable, innovation-driven, global engagement. These strategic patterns are positioned horizontally in the decision matrix. Vertically, the matrix incorporates the following categories: future-oriented, user-centered, technology-integrated, unique ecosystem leadership, research-responsible, and entrepreneurship enhances. Each letter is a name. Future 5.0 represents a key component of the methodology, which is oriented towards anticipating future changes, meeting user needs, integrating technology, sustainable development, research advancement, and ecosystem leadership. These components work together to ensure the successful development of a university in the era of Industry 5.0 and Society 5.0, based on the strategic patterns extracted from the clustering of keywords related to the categories Industry 5.0 and Society 5.0. We build metrics for strategic questions and decisions. Each strategic pattern represents key aspects that universities can consider in their strategy to adapt to future demands, including changes in technology and societal environment. Each pattern consists of two aspects: a long term goal and immediate actions that need to be taken to achieve that goal. The long term goals describe how university can adapt to changes in technology and societal expectation in the future. The actions specify specific steps that can be taken currently to start moving toward these long term goals. For example, this table 2. The strategic decision-making process in higher education involves several interconnected stages aimed at aligning institutional objectives with contemporary challenges and opportunities. At its core, this process integrates the identification of strategic focus areas, evaluation of vertical components, establishment of long-term goals, prioritization of actions, implementation with monitoring, feedback, solicitation, alignment, periodic review, documentation, and communication of decisions. The intersection of horizontal patterns with vertical components allows for a nuanced understanding of how different strategic areas interact with functional aspects of university governance and management. This intersection helps to identify areas where strategies may overlap, complement, or conflict with each other. For instance, a technology-powered approach, horizontal, might need to be aligned with both future-oriented and research-responsible components, vertical, ensuring that technological decisions are not only innovative but also sustainable and ethically responsible. Each cell in the metric combines strategic pattern with a functional component, leading to specific actionable insights. For example, under technology-powered and future-oriented, a university might decide to invest in emerging tech trends. You can see part of the table 3 at the slide. Full table will be available in our paper. The Future of 5.0 Metrics is a strategic tool designed for multi-purpose decision making by interacting 5 strategic decisions and 6 functional components. This alignment facilitates consideration of various factors in strategic decision making and adaptation to rapidly evolving trends. The metrics strategic directions: technology-powered, human-centric, sustainable, innovation-driven goal engagement, integrated with functional categories, including future-oriented, user-centered, technology-integrated, unique ecosystem leadership, research responsible, and entrepreneurship enhances. This structure supports informed, holistic decisions and foster a future-oriented governance approach. Its vertical and horizontal components offer comprehensive view of each decision impact, balancing immediate action with long-term strategic goals, thus enhancing organization adaptability and resilience. The Future 5.0 Metrics is not a static tool, but a living framework that evolves as new challenges and technologies emerge. We are committed to ongoing research to refine and adapt the matrix, ensuring it remains relevant and effective. Thank you for your attention. I look forward for your question and fruitful decision how we can collectively move towards a sustainable future in higher education.